తరుణ్ జోషి ఐపీఎస్ గారు వచ్చారు మీ అందరికీ గ్రీట్ చేయడానికి. ఇప్పుడు సార్ మాట్లాడతారు.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
So, how is everyone? Good.
Yes, sir.
You were all preparing for a long time to join the police department, right?
Yes, sir.
Already all 3 phases are completed now: prelims, mains, medical test, typo in the. Now, finally, we are having the selection is also. All of you have collected selection letters.
Yes, sir.
Everybody taken.
Yes, sir.
So, all ready to leave tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Excited or scared?
Excited, sir.
Anyone feeling scared?
No, sir.
Very good. So finally the day has come, and another 2 days your training will be starting, right? So we are very happy to welcome all of you in the police fraternity in Rachakonda Police, and all of you will be going to different training centers. Wherever is centers ki veltaru. Some people are going to Warangal, some are going to Karimnagar, some will be nearby only in Hyderabad, some women, and some of you will be in Sangareddy. So let's see, we will send you. Please look after yourself. ఇప్పటి వరకు అన్ని పేరెంట్స్ షెల్టర్లో ఉన్నారు, అండ్ స్కూల్ అండ్ కాలేజ్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్, అండ్ కమింగ్ టు పోలీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ అండ్ కమింగ్ టు అ ట్రైనింగ్ సెంటర్ ఈజ్ ఎ కంప్లీట్లీ డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్. ఓకే, సో యూ ఆర్ ఎంటరింగ్ అ సర్వీస్ విచ్ ఇస్ డిసిప్లిన్ సర్వీస్. ఓకే, all of you are looking very young to me. I think some of you might be fresh from college, maybe some of you have done some other service also, and but coming to the department, I know it's everybody will be very passionate, some of them, because I know when everybody was preparing, we were also giving coaching to many of you, so everybody seemed very passionate, and we are very happy that we are able to finally start this training for all of you. And now this is something you are going to be with us for next so many years, right? Almost 30-35 years వరకు మీరు సర్వీస్లో ఉంటారు. So in a way you are like a coming generation for the department, and we are very proud to have all of you, very happy to have all of you, and you will all be given a very quality training. Incidentally, I was IG trainings till few months back, and we have redone the entire curriculum, taking care of the new requirements for all of you. So I hope all of that will be implemented. All the training centers are waiting for you. మీకోసం వెయిటింగ్లో ఉన్నారు అన్ని. ఆల్ ద ప్రిపరేషన్స్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ మేడ్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ప్లేస్. దే విల్ బి వెల్కమింగ్ యూ. సో గో అండ్ సెటిల్ డౌన్ దేర్, అండ్ మై రిక్వెస్ట్ ఈస్ దట్ నౌ దట్ ఎవ్రీబడి యు ఆర్ ఆల్ గోయింగ్ టు గో టు న్యూ ప్లేస్, రైట్? కొత్త ప్లేస్లో వెళ్తారు. సో మేబీ 2-3 days ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ టైమ్ టు అడ్జస్ట్, మేక్ సమ్ న్యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, ఐ థింక్ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ డోంట్ నో ఈచ్ అదర్. ఇంతకుముందు పాత పరిచయం లేదు, రైట్? సో యూ విల్ బి మేకింగ్ సమ్ న్యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్. దీస్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ విల్ బి యువర్ సర్వీస్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇంతకుముందు స్కూల్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉన్నారు, కాలేజ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉన్నారు, బట్ నౌ దీస్ విల్ బి యువర్ సర్వీస్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, అండ్ దే విల్ బి దేర్ ఫర్ అ లాంగ్ టైమ్. యు ఆర్ ఆల్ బ్యాచ్మేట్స్ నౌ, right? And you will be there, you will be trained together, you will be running together, outdoor activities. So all of you will be doing all things. You will be doing some sports activities together, you will be sitting in the indoor classes together. So bonding will happen, right? You will have very good bonding with each other. You will make some new friends, new relationships, and slowly you will get adjusted. It will take about few days, maybe 4 days, 5 days, 1 week. I'm sure you will get adjusted, and then the schedule will also start. You will have your indoor classes, outdoor classes, inka chala other activities are there. So you will be, some ice breaking sessions will be there. So finally your schedule will catch up. From morning to evening you will have some set schedule will be there. Okay, college life is different. Sometimes you go to college, you attend a class, you don't attend class, it doesn't matter, nobody bothers, right? The parents are not coming to watch over you. Ekkada veltunnaru, college lo vachara leda, nobody knows. But here it is not like that. So my request with all of you is that please do the training properly. Okay, it is very important. Training is a very, very important phase. Endukante this is the basic induction training. It's a long 9 months training, 9 months long training. So the purpose of training is to prepare you to enter into the department, right? That is the purpose. Otherwise we can directly take you on duty, right? We can directly take you, okay, you report in this police station, report in this headquarter, we can take you. But we have to prepare you. We have to groom you properly to understand the system, to understand the procedure, to understand the rules, regulations, the laws, because we are the department which handles the public. Okay, it's a department which is a public service department. which is having a direct interface with the public. The direct public ki direct interface with it is not we are not indirectly talking to somebody, but public meets us, we talk to them. So we have to prepare all of you, because all of you are just, some of you are probably 12th class pass, some of you are graduates, maybe some are postgraduates also. But coming into a uniform service, it needs a proper mental orientation, physical preparation, and all of you should get, should understand how the department works, because from outside it looks different, but when we are inside the department we know how it works. So please keep up the name of Rachakonda Police. I hope I will not get any complaint from the training center that Rachakonda candidates are not doing properly, or they are indisciplined, or they are not following the system properly, or they are indulging in any kind of wrongful activity. I must not, because training center will call us. Okay, you are going to whichever training place you are going. If anything goes wrong there, because we are the appointing authority. Same way other districts also. We have done all that. Everything was done here. Your prelims was taken, your mains, everything. Your medical was conducted. So in a way, you are coming back to us later. After 9 months, you will be coming back to us. In between, some break will also be there. But I should not get any complaint from the concerned training center that me Rachakonda chala indisciplined unnaru. They are not doing properly. They are not taking proper interest. They are not showing proper commitment. Their dedication is not there. This kind of complaint I don't expect from any training centers. You are promising me, right?
Yes, sir.
I will not get anything, no?
Yes, sir.
So learn properly. This is some slight extension of your student phase. It is not exactly students, because now there is some responsibility also added.